Hello everyone. So this is second part for note making, and in the previous part we have already gone through the main elements, main key points that are required to make note making more effective, and how can we score good marks. That all were discussed in the previous videos. Those who haven't gone through the video, kindly go through the video to understand this video nicely. So in this video we are going to discuss two examples, and wherein we will find out the common mistakes that are done and how can we make our note making more and more effective, and how can we attract the eyeballs of the examiner so that he doesn't deduct our marks in the final examination. So first of all we will discuss the presentation, that how are we going to start the answer. So first of all, note making is a part of section A, so you can see section A is written here, so you can use blue ball pen here because two different inks have been used. The first one is ball pen and another one is a gel pen. So the first one, second section A is there, so it is written, and it comes under reading skills, so you can put it in bracket and see the first letter is capital here, so you are supposed to write in this way. So answer number one, this is the format ANS 1 colon, and afterwards note making. So it should be done for each and every question. If it's a long answer type question, write on long answer type question. It is an advertisement, write advertisement, but it is a part of note making. So we have written note making, and afterwards we have done used columns and underline it using a ruler and a pencil. So it will make more impact on the examiner, that how are you going to write the answer. It makes a kind of, it initiates the process. So first of all, it is title. So you can easily see title is written over here, and it is written in capital letters. So it is C, TITLE, and it is written over here. And afterwards, I have used a colon here. So now what is the main thing, that indentation plays a very important role in note making. So see, this is my margin, this is my indentation, and I have left some space over here, and some space has also been left over here this side. So use the center of the page to write the title. So title should be in capital letters, and it can be in other format that we are going to discuss in the next part. So title is here, so title is there, colon is used, so everything. So this particular note making is done on physical fitness, so physical fitness is there, and afterwards a hyphen has been used, and afterwards a goal. So this is the best example to write the title, because this particular a goal that has been written here, it is a punching line, it is a punch line that has been used here. Generally you see in the movies also that if a movie is there, suppose dog is there, so they write the fire. So it may add something to that particular word, and make sure that the title, it shouldn't be of single word, and no abbreviation should be used in the title, and title carries 1 mark. So this is the how we write down. Now the important thing is that how to find out the title in a passage. A passage would be there, and generally 4 to 5 paragraphs are there. So where can I find the best title for that particular passage? It is a kind of skill. So to find out the best title, what we have to do, we have to read the first stanza, first passage, first paragraph, and the last paragraph. In the first paragraph, that is the introductory paragraph, and the last one would be the concluding paragraph. So in between whatever paragraphs are there, skip those paragraphs, because title is always in the introductory or in the last paragraph. So find it, and you will be able to find out the title, and title should be relevant to the content itself only. So afterwards what you have to do, leave a single space, leave a line, and afterwards write on the extreme left hand side using the indentation notes, and put colon over here. Okay, now comes the structure, that how are we going to write. So this is number one, and Fit India movement is written over here, and this particular section, this is called as subheading, and below this all these are subheadings. Okay, so one is written over here, and the second one is problems in goal, and in between two parts, first part and second part, a line, a space has been left over here. So this is the, and if I am writing one over here, so two will directly come under it only, and these are my 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. So 5 points are sufficient for a subheading. So it shouldn't be more than that. And the second one is C, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, and 2.5. Now see, I have, this child has used the title, and in between, see, zero investment, I and V. And how could I get? Because abbreviation is also important, and make sure that in abbreviation, only those abbreviations should be used which have more than one syllable. One syllable means that, for example, WORD, word is there. So how many vowels are there? Only one vowel is there. Okay, O is there. So it means it is a single syllable. So we don't have to make abbreviations for single syllables. It should be more than one. So investment is there, so INV. And how did I come to know that this is an abbreviation? Because a dot has been used. So just put INV dot, and afterwards, and make sure that, see, in all these phrases, because in note making we never use full sentences, only note making, only phrases are used, and a phrase doesn't carry a full stop. So avoid full stop in the sentences. A full stop is only a part of abbreviation itself only. So this is the best way to understand the things. Now a child, it could have been done in another way also. 1.1, see, zero investment. So you could have done, instead of investment, I could have done 1.1.1 unlimited. It could have been a part of 1.1 also, but this is also fine. So in this way also we can do all these things. So physical, again PHY is there, so dot, I can understand it is an abbreviation. So it in this, so not more than 2 or 3 words should be there in a particular note making session, and it should not be lengthier. It should not make lengthy sentence and lengthy phrases. You don't use lengthy phrases. Why? Because if you are using lengthy phrases, automatically you are consuming more time, and you won't get sufficient time to write the other answers. So next one is problems in goals. See, laziness, over, cities, green, spaces, mass, transit, public transit. So all these are the things that has been used by the child. So let's come on to the next one. So in a note making mode, 3 points are sufficient. So this is the third point, not more than 3, because each point it carries 1 mark. This year this has been reduced, but I'm talking that it is of 8 marks, but this year for class +1 it will be of 5 marks itself only, including summary. So the marking scheme will be different, but make sure that in the as soon as the pandemic over comes to an end, automatically this will again come to for, this will be again for 8 marks itself only, 5 marks for note making and 3 marks for summary. So again, solution for the goal, see, TRANs, and make abbreviations for those words which are being repeated again and again. You find those words which you are going to use, so it would reduce your time. It will be time consuming. It will help you to reduce the time, and it will save your time. Okay, so see, 1 or 2 words have been used over here. And at last, what we have to do, key to abbreviations. So abbreviation is very important, and generally what the students do, they write the spelling incorrectly. So ABBREVITAIONS, learn the spelling properly to score good marks, and make sure that the abbreviations that you have made, they should be on the left hand side, and the full form, it should be on the right hand side. Generally what students do, they do it vice versa. Suppose this is this side and this is, so it creates a kind of confusion, it creates a kind of dilemma. So avoid all these things in the finals. Okay, PHY stands for physical, so it is also there. Over is also there, and similarly these are the phrases, these are the abbreviations which have been used over here. Now comes the last and the most important part. Now see, every note making is a scoring part. In note making you can score 8 out of 8, and sometimes the marks can also be deducted, and only chance of deduction is your summary, because in summary you are not going to use any sort of abbreviation. And what the students they do, they just pick and choose those few sentences from the paragraph, and they write in the summary. That is totally incorrect. Summary means what? That all the points that have been used in the note making session, they should be written in summary section itself only. For example, when you complete your note making, close the paper and start it from this side, Fit India movement, and it should be in a systematic way. It should be in a hierarchy, so that no point, don't intermix it, that the second point is written first, and the first one is written at the end, and the third point takes place of the second one. No, that's totally wrong. So make sure that in the final examination you are not going to do all these things. So hope you all have understood. And see, the summary section, it should be of 110 to 100 words. So here the student has also written the words I will discuss with you people. See, physical. So if it is a high time, see, the phrases have been used. So according to, so this is wrong. ACC is written. So the marks are also deducted for this also. So WHO, you are not supposed to, if you are writing it, underline in bracket, you can write on the full forms itself only. Okay, and if it is used again and if WHO is only used in the exam, so you can make WHO only. So this is the way by which you can write down the answers for note making. Let's come on to the next one. This is the most important. Again, the systematically, this is, see, title is there, it is at the center, Fit India movement. So a punchline has not been used, though this is also a good example, but make sure that it should not be of single word. No abbreviation should be used in title. Notes, again the format will remain same, leave a line after each and every space, after everything. Now benefits of physical activity. See, bring down risk of SEW. So we will see afterwards what does it mean. So dot is used, no full stops have been used by the child. So it means this is the, now this was the another, this is another format in which we can write note making. 1.1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.1.2. So in this way you can go. These are the sub points for this particular subheading. So 1.2, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5. So 5 points are more than sufficient. See, 2 or 3 words have been used and these are the phrases which are used. Unfavorable environment, make activity desirable, unsafe, and all these are the things which we can. So unplanned towns and chaotic transportation. So, and make sure that in each and every subheading you should use at least 1 or 2 abbreviations, and the abbreviations can be common also, and use only those abbreviations which are being repeated again and again. So let's come on to the next one, that how are we going to write it. See, sports at school have MAD dash dance, so we will look after, and gymnastics, yoga classes provide physical activity benefits. See, 3.4. So sub headings are there, 3.4.1, 3.4.2. So this is the main idea by which we can write the answers. And key to abbreviation is what? See, SEVL and all these, and it they store. And what I have seen that the students, they write numbering also. So avoid numbering. Instead of numbering, just start with the from, if you are writing SEV, it means it is being used in the beginning, and it is being followed by MANOVER and M, and it means several. This means maintain, it means overcrowded, and this means mandatory. So all these are the key to abbreviations and all those. So see, and summary, as I said, that summary should be used. See, summary, underline it. There are many benefits of physical, like it is being down to risk and seven and all those things, even that may cause death and heart disease. So it helps so in summary only your marks can be deducted, because here your grammar should be correct, no spelling mistake should be there, and don't use phrases over here. It is totally a grammatical portion, and you, if you really want to score 3 out of 3, you need to be strong in grammar, and grammar must be perfect and no mistakes, nothing else is there. So in this way, around say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 lines are there, and around 11 12 words are there. So it's around 100 words itself only. So this is the way by which you can write note making. Hope you all have understood it, and if you have really understood it, like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notifications. Thanks a lot.